Hello, social media friends. I'm Viridiana Marquez with DRB Media Communications Digital News, and Danny Barrera has the story.
On Friday, April 28th, the Texas Facilities Commission, Midland Health and Medical Center Health System, along with Texas State Senator Kevin Sparks, District 31, Shelby Landgraf, representing the Office of State Representative Brooks Landgraf, District 81, and former State House Speaker, current State Representative Tom Craddick, District 82, joined members of the law enforcement community and invited guests to the groundbreaking ceremony of the Permian Basin Behavioral Health Center. Due to poor weather conditions, the special event was moved to the recital hall inside the Wagner Noel Performing Arts Center.
It's the first state and private partnership to do anything like this in the whole state of Texas. And now we've kind of got a mass of every community practically in the state needs mental health facilities. And so now they're all wanting something that's kind of following what we got out here. And we're the first, and a lot of states across the country are calling us saying, how did y'all do it? We need this in our communities, and so it's a real positive.
Project representatives appropriated $40 million in funding during a special state legislative session in 2021. The additional funding will be raised from private donations from Midland and Odessa. Land for the project was donated by Diamondback Energy, but will retain the mineral rights. The original cost of the project was more than $80 million due to rising construction costs.
We had $40 million that was left over of the money that we got from the federal government 2 years ago, of $15 billion. We got $40 million of it at the very end that was left over, that kicked it off, and then we're raising the rest locally in the two cities, Midland and Odessa.
The Midland County Sheriff's Office and the Ector County Sheriff's Office are the only agencies that provide mental health care to inmates. The Permian Basin Behavioral Health Center will be a much-needed facility to help law enforcement ease the burden on the cost of travel time and the safety of law enforcement officers having to transport inmate patients out of the county to a mental health facility.
The danger aspect of being on the road like that is one aspect, but first and foremost, it's going to get those who are mentally ill in our community services a lot quicker, hopefully better services, and services that will get them on the right track instead of getting them just leveled out and then turn them loose.
The Permian Basin Behavioral Health Center is a mental health facility located between Midland and Odessa. The center will provide inpatient and outpatient mental health services to individuals of all ages.
Yeah, I think what people need to understand is this, what we're doing right now is just behavioral health, only behavioral health. That's the biggest unmet need, healthcare need in the Permian Basin. We had to come together and get this one done, and it's going to be very productive for the people of West Texas.
For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Danny Barrera.
Thank you for following us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and our website, DRB Media Communications Digital News.tv. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Viridiana Marquez.